times, and it's probably been about, I don't know, maybe 3 years since I've actually came out here and checked and cleaned it. Last time we were out here, I put a capacitor on it, and when I was out here, I taught Tom how to keep the outdoor unit clean. And what Tom? What, every time you're out here watering,
Spray it out.
You spray it out. And we told him, we showed him how not to, really lay it to it, but just to actually have like a little, I guess like a little shower type spray going on it. But guys, it's been 3 years. I want to go ahead and we're going to retest this capacitor. I'm sure it's fine, but this is stuff you can do. It's basic maintenance. That's what we call it, check and clean. And we're going to check everything out and make sure everything's working properly. But guys, I'm sure you've seen this 100 times, so I'll probably just show a few key points. All right, guys, bear with me. Let me go ahead and get my environmentally friendly Cal Green, all natural green condenser coil cleaner. Let's go ahead and pull that disconnect, brother. All right, guys, we're looking at an ancient 2.5 ton Goodman here, and believe it or not, guys, that was like, I had this unit at my house. I'd say it lasted me a good 15 or 16 years, guys. So, people can talk smack about Goodman or whatever they want to say, but it's all about maintaining your stuff and how you install it. I can't stress that enough, man. All the good techs on here know that. But everything's going to have flaws and everything's going to break down, guys. I mean, stuff, it's mechanical stuff and, stuff like that. I mean, your car breaks down, don't it? You got to change them plugs, change the oil. A lot of this here, guys, is lint. And these brushes are great. I'm going to vacuum it out too. And then we're going to wash her. Oh yeah, Tom, that looks good, buddy. All right, guys, got the coil gun broke out. We got her all vacuumed out. Let's get her cleaned up. Alright guys, we're dead nuts on this. Powered superheat is 12. She's dialed in, y'all. Alright guys, it's starting to rain on us and we're gonna get going. Alright y'all. Alright Tom, we got y'all hooked up, brother. You got it cleaned. I like how you stay on it and clean it during the summer whenever you're watering everything. And we threw you another 35 35.5 up on there. Yes, sir, 35.5. I didn't get that one mixed up. And we got her cleaned out inside and out. We actually took her all apart and cleaned it, and we dialed her in. She's running at 12 degree superheat, so I think you're ready to rock, dude.
Sound like a Cadillac.
Heck yeah, that ain't bad.
Got a quality job.
Well, thank you, brother. I appreciate that so much.